Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the hot head thermal hair care, and this is their heat insulated hair bonnet, which is what you use when you deep condition, or it's just what you can use when you deep condition, and it's filled with natural flax seeds. So the little beads that you fill in here, those are actually flax seeds, so that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. And so what you do is you put it in the microwave and you heat it for, I believe it's 45 seconds, depending on the voltage on your microwave. And you heat it for 45 seconds, and then you do that again. And then you put it on your head. And I think the longest that you can keep it on is, you can wear it for 20 to 30 minutes. And I'm going to be using the Marshmallow Melt Mask as my deep conditioner today. This is by Tropical Bliss, and I also have a video reviewing all their hair products, so if you would like to see that video, I'll leave a link right here or in the description box or at the end of the video. But yeah, I'm going to be trying this for the first time, so I'm excited to see how this smells. It looks like it smells amazing, and I already used their co-wash and it smells amazing. So let's see how this smells. It smells like bubble gum. It smells like heaven, actually. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and heat this in the microwave, and then I'll be right back. Use this as a sealing oil for a hot oil treatment and as a deep conditioning treatment in combination with their Marshmallow Melt Mask. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using these two together to deep condition my hair.
Stay right here with me forever. Stay right here.
I'm gonna keep this on for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I already went ahead and styled my hair, but my curls do look really curly, really defined. Like I said before, I did record a video using the Tropical Bliss line. So yeah, make sure you guys look out for that video. But yeah, I really do love the idea of this heated bonnet, because it's kind of like you don't have to put like a plastic bag or a grocery bag over your head to insulate the heat. It's kind of all done in this little thing, and it's reusable, and you can clean it very easily. So I really do like the idea of this. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give me thumbs up, and I'll be sure to see you in my next video. Bye.